This time I will show you how to make floral composition in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the project. We begin the work from the painting in real size, pinning it on a mat. Then make cord on the burden, pin it on a mat. Then we sew the places of contiguity, make a trim, and fill it up all 3 places with chaotic mesh. For work you need mat, cotton yarns, crochet hooks, scissors, pins. Make a picture in real size. For this project I will use cords on the burden. Let's begin the cord. Burden is the thread in the half 3 times. The length of the cord is determined by pattern. Insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop, make a chain. Make single crochet. Here what we have. The ready cord, we pin it on the pattern. Turn the work. I'm going to make a trim. Insert the hook into the front loop. Make a chain. Work with front loops. Make single crochet into each front loop. Here what we have. We have done trims. For this trim I use 2 colors of yarn. Continue working. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet. Then you should make some cords and pin it on a pattern and make for them trims. As you can see, I have pinned all my cords and did trims for them. As you can see, I leave some threads for the chaotic mesh. In the same way I did these leaves for this flower. I have sewn all places of contiguity and did the chaotic mesh in some parts. For this I use different colors of yarn. Now I show you how to crochet the chaotic mesh. I work with this part. Insert the hook into the loop. Let's count 1. Remove the hook. Insert it into the chain space. Take the working loop, pull it through. chain, turn the work, make single crochet, chain, let's repeat again, chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, chain, 1, turn the work, remove the hook, insert it into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, 1, 2, make single crochet into the chain space on the opposite side, chain 1, 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, I do not finish this stitch, and make double crochet into the next chain space, I do not finish this stitch, and pull through all loops on the hook, chain 1, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through, make 1, 2 chains, then you should continue by yourself. I have done the chaotic mesh in this part of the flower, then you should continue working with chaotic mesh in this leaf. Now I show you how to make the leaf. I make a trim, make single crochet into each stitch, make single crochet, make a chain 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, make single crochet into each stitch, make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, make single crochet, make single crochet. The destination between these small elements can be differently. You should determine the destination by yourself. Then you should continue working with single crochet. I have done trim for the leaf. Let's make the inside part of the leaf. Let's make a trim of the central part of the leaf. Make single crochet into each front loop. chain 1, 2, 3, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert it into the loop, take the working loop, pull it through, chain 1, insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, then half double crochet, 2 rounds of work, continue working with single crochet, single crochet into the each front loop. Then you should continue with the chain, we have done chains 3 times. Now continue working with the opposite part. For this I 2 rounds of work, make single crochet, yarn over the hook, make half double crochet, yarn over the hook, make double crochet, yarn over the hook, make half double crochet into the next stitch, make single crochet into the next stitch, here what we have. The number of such elements can be differently. I have done 3 for the second part of the leaf. Then I change the color of yarn and continue the work with this side. Make a chain 1, 2, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert it into the element, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain of 2, 1, 2, 2 rounds of work, make single crochet into the each stitch, make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 rounds of work, insert the hook into the element, take the working loop, pull it through, chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work, fix it, make a single crochet. Then you should continue with single crochet by yourself. We have done the leaves. The work is finished, so we can retouch the project from the mat. Here how it looks. Let's look at the back side of the project. Today we have learned how to make beautiful floral project in Irish lace technique. For this work you need cord, maiden, burden, the chaotic mesh, and different colors of yarn. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.